Hi guys, so I just got back from school and there was this box and I thought that I'd unbox it with you guys because I really wanted to share it with you, and I think I have a clue what it is, but I'm not 100% sure because it's something I'm really hoping it is. But before we get into this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and comment below to join our Gone Golfing gang. Okay, enough chit chat, let's open this baby up. So I'm going to open this bit here because I need to take off the tape so I can open the box up. I'm really hoping for something on here. I'll just go around here. No, nothing. Oh no. I hate it when the tape rips. It's just so annoying. Go from this side now. The tape ripped. That seems good enough. Just need to go up here. Okay, so it's quite hard to open, but when we get it open, I feel like because it's quite big, it's going to be quite good because it's big and the thing I'm thinking of is big, so I really hope it's what I'm thinking of. Alright, I'm almost there, I just need to get this little bit off and then I can open it. I'm really excited if you couldn't tell already. Start off down here because there's a little bit. Yeah. So, why is tape so hard to get undone? Got it. Okay, now we can open it. This is weird. Oh my god, there's so many bits. A wheel. Okay. I'm going to see if you can guess. There's a wheel and like little bits and bobs. And I'll tell you at the end of the video if I was right or wrong by what I guessed. But there's another wheel in here, so I've got two wheels, not one. But I think that bit just gave it away from me. Oh, and another wheel. 3 wheels. Okay. So that's this box, then we can just get this out. So I'll build this and I'll be back once I've built it.
One eternity later.
So this is what I got. It's a golf trolley. Is this what you guessed, guys? If so, comment down below if you were right and just say I guessed it was a golf trolley or something like that. I don't know. And I'm really excited because I've wanted one of these for ages because it's been such hard work carrying all my golf clubs around. I'm like this, and my shoulders start hurting. So I'm really happy that I got this because I have been wanting one of these for ages and this is what I guessed. So I'm super happy about it. So yeah, this is my new golf trolley. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm really happy with my golf trolley, and I'm so excited to use it in my golf lessons. So I will speak to you